Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all are well. Today's video is about onion peel fertilizer. Don't throw away the onion skins. We can use these peels to make an organic potassium-rich fertilizer for all your indoor and outdoor plants. This fertilizer will increase their disease resistance, growth, strong stems, and productivity. Onion skin fertilizer is rich in calcium, iron, magnesium, and copper. This fertilizer will help the plants to grow strong. So let's move and see how we can make the onion peel fertilizer. So let's move. First of all, collect all the dry peels of onion in a basket and then put them in a container. You can see these are all in a container, and after this you will put the water, approximately 1 or 1.5 liter of the water in that container, and cover it with a lid. You can keep this container for approximately 24 hours. You can see this, but keep this in a shady area. After 24 hours you can see this fertilizer. After straining the fertilizer you can see its color, and now I am putting this fertilizer in all the flowering plants. You can use this onion peel fertilizer at flowering phase of any plant, and you can use this fertilizer twice in a month.